Guys, it's another beautiful day. You're welcome back to Lexyducation channel, where we try to simplify your learning as much as possible. Today I have come back with another beautiful strategy that you cannot do without. Now this strategy is specially dedicated to those that are scalpers. Now I need to strictly point this out, that my strategies work for every kind of trader, whether you're a scalper, whether you're a swing trader, a position size trader, or a day trader. Okay, it just depends on the time frame combinations that you are going to be working with. However, I'm going to be taking my examples, okay, my illustrations using the scalping time frame. So now we are going to be working with indicators like the CCI indicator. So let's add it to the chart. The CCI is an acronym for Commodity Channel Index. So we're going to be working with a period of 5 applied to typical high HLC over 3, style 3 pixel, and levels -100, +100, and one more level 0. We'll add it to the chart, and then we click on done. Now this is your CCI on the chart, guys. Now we're going to go straight to adding the next indicator, which is called the Stochastic Oscillator. We are going to be working with a period of 14. We're going to be working with a period of 14 and levels 20, 80, and one more level, levels 50. So I'm going to add that to my chart. Good. Yeah. So, and this is my stochastic oscillator, guys. Now, how does this strategy work? Very simple, guys. All I just simply need to do is, let's say I'm trying to look out for a buy setup. Okay. Remember, we said we're going to be using the scalping time frames. So I'm going to switch to my H1. So I'm looking out for a buy setup. All I need to do is to pick my marker. Now, as you can see, the first step I need to take is I'm going to have to look out for the point where I've got the what's it called, the stochastic oscillator above levels 50. Okay, above levels 50. So as soon as I have it on levels 50, I'm going to go above levels 50. I'm going to go to the next time frame, which is the M15 time frame, and wait for the stochastic oscillator to drop, okay, below the levels 50. Now, as you can see, it's below levels 50. Then I go to my M5, my M5 time frame. Okay, and then I wait for the commodity channel index, the CCI, okay, to move and touch the level 0 on this part. As you can see how far the trade went, guys. Very simple. And just imagine you would have entered your trade here and had your stop loss just below the low here. See how minute your stop loss is, and see how far the trade went, guys. So where are you supposed to be targeting? Now I'm going to show you that. You're going to be targeting this point, okay, the most recent high that was created, and just look at it, guys. The price went there and beyond easily. A simple strategy. And then since you're scalping, you could have still had another opportunity to enter again. Okay, so as long as the stochastic remains above 50, okay, you just keep looking for trading entry opportunities. Look at it again. The M15 dropped again, and there you go. You go to your M5, wait for the CCI to touch level 0, then you storm into the trade. Place your stop loss here, target the most recent high, and here you go. Price went and even moved past it, guys. Very simple strategy, guys. Very simple strategy. We're going to be taking a sell setup now. Let's quickly look at the Euro USD for a sell setup. Okay, so I'm going to go to my H1 time frame. On the H1 time frame, okay, let me bring up my marker. And please guys, if you're a first time on this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time we post a new content on this channel. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so other people get to see this video, and please share it with your friends and family. You shouldn't be enjoying these valuable information all alone. So we'll come to the H1 time frame. We wait for the stochastic to drop below 50, and then we go to the M15 time frame and wait for the stochastic to rise up, and then we go to the M5. Good. And on the M5 time frame, all I simply need to wait for the CCI. Can you see that? The CCI to touch the levels 0, sorry. And then what happened? Immediately touch it, moved past it. Your stop loss would have been here. Your take profits. You know how we do it. The most recent low, since you're scalping, the most recent low is your target. So this is the most recent low, guys. And you see what happened. Price dropped and moved far beyond it, guys. Guys, this is a very simple strategy, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned to this channel for more insightful indicator strategies.